Darn it, just on my back. As promised, we're going to clean out the stash. If you saw my video from earlier this morning, I did a full English mustache, then I curled it up into here. Well, tonight we're going to go ahead and clean it up. I'm going to use this beard oil from Green Beard Grooming. Now, there's a couple ways I could do this. I could heat this up first, and then that would help me get a comb through it and get the oil in it. But I think what I'm going to do instead, so I'm just going to put some oil in there and just start to rub it through like that. Some on that side. This is based on hemp seed oil. Again, as I was mentioning this morning, very organic. Now, the other thing I want you to notice as this video progresses is that the nature of the oil with the pine rosin and the beeswax did turn my mustache yellow. I would not typically use a lot of wax of this nature on my light stash, but it's still a very nice wax and very good for many stashes and stash styles. There I rubbed in some with my fingers, but by far the way that I like to apply an oil best is to put it straight in the brush. So I got a comb. So I got this wood comb here from Green Beard Grooming, and we're just going to kind of start working it out. Don't want to pull too hard, because those ends are pretty tight. Get it in there, get behind, rub it back. So you see it's already loosened up. All right, let me put one more coat of oil on there. And those waxes are starting to accumulate some on the comb, but the oil is really breaking it down. All right, so you can really tell the difference at this point. I have enough oil in it. So the best practice now is to go ahead and just let that oil sit in there for 10, 20 minutes maybe. And the best time to do this would be just before you shower or bathe. And you can get a beard soap, mustache soap, like the one I make, this Castile olive oil soap with jojoba oil added. Very nourishing and cleansing for the hair. So I'm going to go ahead at this point, let that set just for a few minutes. We'll be right back to continue the video. All right, so we're back. We're going to go ahead and wash it out now. This bar of soap that I made, if you've seen my earlier videos, has an old-time barbershop scent in it, and it's just wonderful. I sell these in many different scents, with logo, with your own personalized logo, or without. So if that's something that you're interested in, send me a note, and we'll get on that. So I'm going to go ahead and get some water applied to this mustache, and we'll be right back. All right, so we're washed up, washed out, towel dried it. You can see how clean and clear that is. Back to my natural white hairs, and it washed out just great. So a combo of the beard oil and the mustache and beard wash does great. I also want to mention, and I got this tip from my good friend Brett Chrismer with BSC Enterprises, is that this purple soap made for, you can see, silver hair. Really is great in getting the yellow out. So I use that maybe once a week just to help wash out any discoloring that may have occurred from all the waxes and stuff that I use throughout the week. So in fact, it's given me an idea, maybe create a purple beard and mustache soap. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I may be working on that. So we're going to go ahead and style up. My apologies for the blow dryer. I know that's irritating to the video, but hard to get around. You see how nice that's looking now. Great natural style. Residue free. Back to a natural coloring. All right, we'll go ahead and end it there. And now at this point, you can replenish some of that oils in the mustache with a mustache or beard oil, and keep that in there. That's part of my nighttime mustache routine anyway. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, Green Beard Grooming, great products. Go check them out, and I think you'll like it. So take care. God bless. As always, Original Mustache Club for life, baby.